my dear students, this is the RD of question 2. 3 by 5 and 3 by 7. Whenever we have the denominator same, then we can compare easily which one number is bigger. This is the bigger. But over here denominators are different. What we have to do? 3 methods are there, students. First, we have to make it similar with the help of LCM. Okay, this is a little big method. Second method is cross multiplication. Already we did over here in question B. 3 sevens are 21. Over here 3 fives are 15. Which is bigger? 21. So over here my 3 by 5 and 3 by 7. This one is bigger. Okay. This is the second method. Third method is 3 by 5 and 3 by 7. Denominators are different, but numerators are same. Yes or not? So whenever we have the same numerator, then we have to observe the denominator. We have to observe the denominators. Which denominator is smaller? This number is big. Which number is smaller? This one number, this one fraction is big. So over here my 3 by 5 is bigger than 3 by 7. Again I repeat, students, whenever we have the same numerator, then we have to observe the denominator. Which denominator is small? They having the larger value. Understood? So here my 3 by 5 is given. Any method you can use. This method is only possible when we have the same numerator. This method is possible for all. Okay, if denominators are different, numerators are different, then we can use this method. But this denominator comparison is only when possible we have the same numerator. Okay, so here his one is bigger. Question 3. Make the 5 more such pairs and put the appropriate sign. This is you have to try by yourself. Any numbers, okay, any fractions you can take with the same denominator, one with the same numerator, one with the denominators and numerators are different. Suppose I am taking over here 3 by 4 and we have to compare it is a 2 by 9. Okay, which one is greater? Denominators are not same, numerators also are not same. Cross multiplication. 3 nines are 27. 4 twos are 8. Which one is big? 27. So here this number is bigger. Understood? So you can take any 5 examples. Please students try to write more than 5. Okay. Now question number 4. Look at the figures and write less than or greater than or equal between the given pairs of the fraction. So over here given pairs are that we have to observe from over here, students. But here we can do without any observation. Okay. 1 by 6 and 1 by 3. So observe over here, where is a 1 by 3? Here. So 1 by 3 it means this much portion, and 1 by 6. Where is 1 by 6? Here. This much portion. Which one is greater? Yes, 1 by 3. So we have to do like this way. But without any calculation, 1 by 6, 1 by 3. We have the same numerator. What we have to observe? Denominator. Okay, whose denominator is smaller? They having the great value. Already we talk over here in question number 2. So 3 is a smaller, so they having the great value. Okay, so this is a 1 by 3. Anything you can follow. Another method is cross multiplication. 1 3s are 3, 1 6s are 6. Which one is greater? 6. So here my 1 by 3 is greater. Okay, so this is depend on you which method you want to follow. Over here 3 by 4 and 2 by 6. Where is my 3 by 4? Here, this much portion. 2 by 6, here, this much. Which one is greater? 3 by 4. Either you can use 3 6 are cross multiplication. 3 6 are 18. 4 2 are 8. Which one is greater? 18. So this is the bigger. Okay. Here 2 by 3 and 2 by 4. 2 by 3 here this much. 2 by 4 here this much. Which one greater? 2 by 3. 6 by 3, 3 by 3. 6 by 3 it means full. And 3 by 3, where is the 3 by 3? Here. Full. So here both are equal. 5 by 6, it means here. 5 by 5, it means here. Which one is greater? Full or this? Obviously full. This is the greater. Okay. Now, how quickly can you do this? Fill the appropriate sign. Students, please try to do by yourself. Very easy. Okay. Here numerators are same. So, whose denominator is small? They are having the great value. Any numbers are same, not numerator and denominator. So, we have to follow cross multiplication. 6 2s are 12. 3 4s are 12. 12 12. So, both are equal. Here cross multiplication, because denominators and numerators any one is not same. 3 3s are 9, 5 2s are 10. Which one is greater? 10. So we have to put this sign. Now down one, please students, try to do by yourself. Now question number 6. Following fraction represent just a three different numbers. Separate them into the 3 groups of the equivalent fraction by changing each one to its simplest form. So what we have to do, students? We have to change it into simplest form. Simplest form means now you know very well what is the simplest form. So see students, here 6. Okay, first one is a 2 by 12. Simplest form, it means we have to cut it minimum. 2 by 12. Both are even number. 2 1s are 2, 2 6s are 12. Cut it. What is the remaining? 1 by 6. Now we have to try with the B. 3 by 5. Sorry, 3 by 15. Okay. So both numbers are coming in the table of 3. Yes, 3 1s are 3, 3 5s are 15. 3 3 will cut. What is the remaining? 1 by 5. Here have 3 numbers. Okay. One we get over here 1 by 6. Second is 1 by 5. Now C1. 8 by 50. See, both are even numbers. 4 2s are 8, 25 2s are 50. I am going little fast, students, but if you will take time, then don't worry. Take your time and please try to do by yourself. 2 2 will cancel. What is the remaining? 4 by 25. Okay, now B1. 16 by 100. Again both are even number. Which 2s are 16? 8 2s are. Which 2s are 100? 50 2s are. 2 2 cancel. Again 8 by 50. So 8 by 50. Again both are even number. Which 2s are 8? 4. Which 2s are 50? 25. Sorry, 2 2 cancel. What is the remaining? 4 by 25. So here we get 3 numbers. 1 by 6. 1 by 5 and 4 by 25. So down, students, you have to make over here 1 by 6, 1 by 5 and 4 by 25. Which number represent 1 by 5? Sorry, 1 by 6. Okay, so here you have to write which number? 2 by 12. Which number in 1 by 5? 3 by 15. Which one in 4 by 25? So 8 by 50 and 16 by 100. Understood? Now we have to do with the E. What is the E? 10 by 60. So here both are even, 0 0 cancel. Okay. What is the remaining? 1 by 6. So 10 by 60 we have to write here 10 by 60 under the 1 by 6. Yes, so here all are equivalent fraction, here all are equivalent, and here all are equivalent. So same way students, you have to try till L. Okay. F to L. You have to try to do by yourself. First you have to cut into simplest form, and then after whatever you got the answer in a simplest form, you have to put under the representing the value 1 by 6 or 1 by 5 or 4 by 25. So here whatever numbers we will write, these are equivalent to 1 by 6. Here what numbers we will write, these are equal to 1 by 5th, and here what numbers we will write, they are equal to 4 by 25. Understood students? So please try to do question number 6 by yourself. Now question number 7. Find the answer to the question, write and indicate how you solve them. Is 5 by 9 is equal to 4 by 5? Very easy students. Is 5 by 9 is equal to 4 by 5? How you can compare? Cross multiplication. 5 5s are 25. 9 4s are 36. Both are equal? No. Here 36 is greater. It means this is greater. Is equal? No. You have to follow this method. Okay. 25 and 36 are not equal. Understood? Same way. Is 9 by 16 equal to 5 by 9? So 9 by 16 is equal to 5 by 9. What we have to do? Cross multiplication. 9 9s are 81. 16 5s are 80. Both are equal? No, they are not equal. So write over here no. But please students, you have to mention whatever you follow here. Okay. This is the part of your answer. This one is a B and this one is A. Now C. 4 by 5 and 16 by 20. Okay. 4 2s are 8, 24s are 80, 16 5s are 80. Both are equal? Yes, both are equal. So here write yes. Now 1 by 15, 4 by 30. Which method? Cross multiplication. 1 3s are 13, 15 4s are 60. Both are equal? No. Write over here no. Okay. So same way students, you have to complete this exercise in your notebook. Here question number 5. If you want to write in your textbook, then is it okay? You can write in your textbook only. Thank you.